Hello, this is Scott. Welcome to your virtual video walk around. Looking for a Ram pickup like this one? I'll tell you what, you're going to love this virtual video walk around. This is the 18 Ram 1500. Stock number is 7162. Let's take a look at the exterior and then let's take a look at the interior. So you'll notice that this Ram, as we make our way down the passenger exterior, and turn around and give you a good shot of that. No dents, no dings, no scrapes, no scratches. Maybe a perfect rig for hunting or just a daily driver for the family. This Ram is going to give you peace of mind driving. We're going to take you on the interior. No rips, no tears, no stains. How about warranty protection for life and oil changes for life on this truck at no cost to you? That's right. Very simple. For more information on this truck or any other trucks in our inventory, call us, email us, or give us a text. We'll be happy to answer any questions. Most of all, we look forward to earning your business on this Ram pickup. Hope you have a great day. Take care.